Hi, my name is Courtlin Byrd, and I am a filmmaker and media artist living in New York City, as well as a PhD candidate in media study at the University of Buffalo. I work mostly in film and video, doing both narrative fiction films as well as found footage video essays, engaging in cultural phenomena and sort of existential absurdist humor. In my more experimental media projects, I work in Max MSP, a visual coding software, examining ideas about chance and choice. Many of my creative works, whether it's a 16mm film about coffee, or a documentary about Taleggio cheese, or even a generative music piece based on tracking the movements of brown bears in Katmai National Park, have at their heart a sort of spirit of experimentation and a concern with environmental issues. One thing I noticed while in school, however, was the unfortunate lack of interaction between fields and departments. Though I have focused on arts and humanities throughout my education, I have always been interested in scientific fields as well, in particular biology and animal behavior, as well as human psychology and neuroscience. The institutional and societal emphasis on specialization at such a young age is a huge detriment to human beings' continuing curiosity and an unfortunate barrier to a space of potential conversations and innovations. So I think that these divisions that have been set up between form and content, structure and experimentation, culture and science need to be broken down. And I'm excited to be a part of a community that feels the same way and is doing something about it.